Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is evanescent. Let's discover what this elegant word means. Evanescent means quickly fading away or disappearing. It is often used to describe beautiful things that exist only for a short time. Here's an example. The evanescent beauty of the morning mist disappeared as the sun began to rise. This means the mist faded away quickly, making the moment even more beautiful and memorable. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word evanescent? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!